So I want to come close so that you guys could kind of see. Y'all see how like my pores are extremely like excessive? So for those who do not know, Ariana Grande, yes, Miss Unbothered, Miss very much in her own world, minds her business, and it's for herself, Grande, went ahead and released a new concealer, y'all, and it ranges from 60 shades. Now I see she coming for Fenty, but the, you know, little 10 extra shades, and they're very, 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 very pigmented and have a nice and beautiful hue. I literally was in Ulta. Well, I actually sent my boyfriend an Ulta for me. I ended up getting 2 of the concealers. So I asked him to get me Tan 7G, but I was looking at the colors online. I literally just eyeballed it online and I guessed that I should get this color. But then afterwards, after he got it for me, I was like, damn, maybe I should just get another color just in case, a darker color, just in case if this one is too light. I even put a poll on my Instagram because I wanted to see like which hue was darker, and obviously it would be the Tan 9W. Sorry, I didn't even tell you guys the colors. There's Tan 9W, and then I have Tan 7G. And obviously when I did the poll, everybody said that the 9W was darker, but I'm gonna show you guys a picture because it like literally looks the same hand in hand. By the way, when you get this concealer, it also comes, I don't know if they're still doing that promotion, but it also comes with her r.e.m beauty blender, which I'm really excited to try because it has like this very interesting tip. As y'all can see, like a little cone. I mean, obviously, like, you know, regular beauty blenders have that, you know, tip, but this one is more smaller and it's like actually like a little wider. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go ahead and expand this beauty blender because I am gonna use a beauty blender to blend my concealer, which I never ever do anymore. So yeah, but as y'all can see, I already prepped and primed and moisturized and serums and everything to my face. I also went ahead using Estee Lauder's Double Wear foundation because I wanted to get a nice mattifying look. This concealer is very creamy, very pigmented, and so you want to make sure that when you're using it, you kind of, at least with me, I'm trying to go for like a really wild glam, so you know I'm going to go crazy with the product. So initially when you open it, there's actually a little gift, a little surprise. So Ariana went ahead and her team went ahead and included a little spatula. So if you are a makeup artist, to be sanitary, you know, you can go ahead and scoop that out and put that on your little tray thingy majiggy, whatever, you know, works for you. For me, I wouldn't really use this just because I, you know, like to dig in and get dirty, you know. Now, I absolutely love the packaging. It's very much minimalistic. It's not too much. It's not overwhelming, you know. So it's really cute. A nice gray, straight to the point box. All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a blank brush, like a brush that has not been used, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop some of this product out of the little jug that it comes in. Off rip, it's very creamy, like extremely creamy. Like, let me show you guys. Y'all can see that after I swipe the product, it's gotten, you know, I'm kind of scared because I have oily skin and I don't know how this is gonna work, but it says that it is mattifying, or you know, whatever the case may be. Actually, let me look it up. On the site, it says that this creamy product gives and delivers a mattifying finish. So we're gonna go ahead and see that for ourselves. I'm not shocked about the coverage. I kind of expect that from a $24 concealer. I'm just scared to see how well it finishes. Now, automatically what I'm noticing, you guys can't see it on camera because you're not up close, but in my camera, I mean in my mirror, I can see like my pores kind of like 3D, even though I use the primer. So let's see if I'm able to finesse this. This joint is extremely creamy, so I'm kind of scared. I've never had my concealer do this thing where I can like literally see my pores through and through. But let me not judge too quick, and I need my face to look good because I'm going somewhere. But let me go ahead and wet that beauty blender real quick, and I'll be back to show you guys me blending it and getting it together. So this is what the sponge was able to expand up into. So it kind of got a bit big. Of course not bigger than my, you know, Real Techniques beauty blender, but let's just go ahead and see. So of course I'm just gonna blend from the outer corner. All right, so automatically I don't like the beauty blender because it leaves me looking patchy, which is actually why I don't use beauty blenders in the first place. So let me go ahead and get my actual brush that I use. Well, actually, I'll just go and using this Real Techniques brush. It has like a nice like dome shaped, so I'm pretty sure that this will redeem this concealer. And of course this brush is redeeming this concealer, so automatically I see that the concealer is definitely moving easily, which kind of makes sense because it is a cream based concealer. But I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out and then give you guys my judgment after I blend it out. So I was able to go ahead and blend the product out. I was also able to go ahead and use my contour and my blush to go ahead and blend all of that in. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is obviously I'm gonna set my face. Actually looks really good when it's set. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is of course just dust off all this powder. And of course, now that we're done, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to set my entire face. And yes, I'm one of those people who are extremely excessive with their setting spray. Alrighty guys, I'm sorry if my lighting is weird. The sun disappeared just now, but this is how the face turned out. Now, I would use this concealer again. I don't hate the concealer. I just think it's extremely too hot to be depending on a cream concealer. I don't want to say it's mattifying just because I still feel my oils kind of like wanting to see through. Even though I did go ahead and prep, prime, set my face and everything, I still do feel like my face is a little bothered by all the heavy concealer that I used. Yeah guys, I really don't have nothing negative to say really. I was kind of like, I'll give the concealer 8 out of 10 just because I like how it's, you know, making my features pop out really nicely and lovely. And yeah guys, with that being said, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I will catch you guys in the next video.